Hey friends, I have today a quick unboxing of a Barbie in the 12 Dancing Princesses. My husband got this last year from a thrift store. She was about $1.99. As you can see, her box is falling apart, but I wanted to get her unboxed and free up that shelf that I was using to hold her and a couple other Barbies. I also have two of the sisters to unbox too. So, but today it is Princess Genevieve. Skirt spins and lights up, it says. Don't know how true that'll be because she has been in this box for some time. If I get a chance, I will look it up on the internet. I don't know if you can see the back, but there's Princess Ashlyn, Princess Adeline, Princess Courtney, Princess Fallon, Princess Elia, Princess Blair. These are the other two that I have. Princess Hadley and Princess Azalea, or Isle. I don't know. There's Genevieve and Prince Derek, Princess Kathleen, Princess Lacey, and Princess Janissa. Alright. Oh, it came out, and the movie came out in late 2006. So I'm assuming she's at least, copyright 2006. So I think after 13 years she can come out of the box. I'll put some pictures of her in here, what she looked like fresh out of the box. As you can see, her elastics have dry rotted out of her hair. She has product in her hair. And I'm thinking these are supposed to be down, but she was in the box for 13 years. So I'm just going to comb it a little bit, put some new bands in it, and take some pictures, okay? Guinevere out of the box. She looks really good. In a minute I'll show you how she works. Here is her cat Twyla. And combed her hair a little bit. Now, when she's on my stand, you can't see her, it won't twist the skirt, but see the lights light up. Here she is out of the stand. See if I can do it. There's a button on her leg. Where's the button? It's up here. She took two AAA batteries. They go into her thighs right there. Skirt spins. Oops, pushing the wrong button. And that was Princess Guinevere of the 12 Dancing Princesses, and her cat Twyla. I'm really glad she didn't come with batteries. Being that they were AAA, they would have been all corroded after 13 years. So I had batteries though, and she works good. Don't see me twirling her skirt or anything, but at least I know that she works. I'll take the batteries out so that she stays in good shape. And I think just for a little while I'll be keeping her out on my shelf. And I'll come back, in a couple of days or something and show you her two of her sisters. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, y'all.